River, slowing erosion. The natural processes of bank erosion and redeposition are vital to healthy rivers. It's how both spawning gravels and deeper pool habitat form. The different coloured particles in the River indicate how easily they are washed away. Yellow and green particles are easily eroded and only settle in slow water. Darker particles indicate deeper and stronger flows. The variety in riverbed particle types and current speed and depth is vital for a healthy river. So when rates of erosion are greatly increased by reducing the resistance of riverbanks, problems can occur. Especially if the accelerated erosion is occurring over long reaches of river. You can also find problems for the opposite reason. Repositioning a river channel and then locking it in place is sometimes achieved by combining stone or rubble reinforcement with trees planted on top. This effectively cuts off new gravel supplies from the channel. Regardless of whether it's achieved by more obvious engineering methods, the result is the same. A river that is unable to provide the variety of habitats necessary to support diverse wildlife and vegetation. Let's look at common problems with stonework. The hard, angular faces of stone tends to reflect fast flows and is also prone to producing swirling eddies. Both effects are liable to erode nearby soft bank material. So it's very common to see examples of failed stone bank work in rivers. We can demonstrate this with the River. The angular stone faces and acceleration of flows is really susceptible to actually increasing bank erosion rates. This is exactly what you see in real rivers too. In contrast, using complex brashy material that mimics tree roots, the flow is actually slowed right down next to the eroding bank. So instead of reflecting rapid flows, the brashy material provides slow water in which even quite light sediments will accumulate. This is why it's possible to go from something like this to a situation like this. And with grazing animals excluded, the banks can reconsolidate a little. The end result is not a total elimination of erosion, but a healthy rebalancing of the rate of sediment supply, so that the river can produce spawning beds, deep pools, shelter for fish and a wide variety of habitats for invertebrates and plants as well.